Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Active Green Tea, 90 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. High-potency green tea extract, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free dietary supplement, advanced GMP manufacturing, quality assured, independent testing. Discussion. Active green tea is a high-potency standardized extract of green tea, providing polyphenols including epigallocatechin, gallate, EGCg, believed to be one of the key phytonutrient in green tea, responsible for its health benefits. Active green tea allows you to more fully enjoy the healthy properties of a sencha-rich lifestyle without consuming large volumes of tea. Suggested use. To equate to the EGCg consumption of the best Japanese studies, take 1 capsule 3 times daily in divided doses or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients. Capsule, hyperomolose and purified water, ascorbyl palmitate and sodium stearyl fumarate. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Consult your physician if you are pregnant or lactating, or if you have a medical condition, or are taking any medication. Consult a health practitioner if you have a liver disorder, or if you have iron deficiency. Keep out of the reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.